Introducing Earl's universal Weld-less fuel return fitting. This ingenious design eliminates the need for access to the inside of your fuel tank or fuel cell to install a return fuel fitting. The Earl's low-profile fitting is machined out of Billet 6061 aluminum and is recommended for steel and aluminum tanks with wall thicknesses up to an 1/8 inch thick. We machine the -6 orb port at a 90-degree angle in relation to the return tube. This configuration offers more flexibility and increased clearance. Each kit includes an oversized Viton Sealing Washer, Hex Head Screw with steel washer, a -6 low-profile port plug with Viton O-Ring, and 2 tube options, a fixed as well as a flexible nylon style. The Earl's fitting and all related components are compatible with most gasoline and E85 fuels. The installation is quick and easy thanks to the full color instruction sheet. Gasoline vapors are extremely flammable, so before you begin drilling, be sure to have your fuel tank professionally flushed and cleaned. Another option is to drain the tank and refill it with water, then reposition it so it covers the area that you plan to drill the hole in. Simply drill a 1/2 inch hole into the flat portion of the top of your tank. Be sure that the fitting placement doesn't interfere with tank installation or get crushed. Be sure to clean any shavings from the bottom of your tank with a vacuum or magnet. Select the tube that you wish to use and cut the tube to the appropriate length if needed. We recommend that the tube be cut below the fuel level to help keep fuel aeration to a minimum. Install the return tube onto the Weld-less fitting. Slide the rubber washer over the hose and place it at the base of the fitting. Then install the fitting into the 1/2 inch hole in your fuel tank and tighten the bolt until the fitting is snug. The knurled rib body helps prevent rotation as you're tightening it. The Earl's Weld-less fitting works just like a rivet nut. As the bolt is tightened, the base of the fitting collapses and mushrooms around the hole on the underside, securing and sealing the fitting to the tank wall. To finish the install, add the fitting of your choice to the -6 orb port, then connect and clamp your return fuel line to the fitting. If this install was any easier, it'd be against the law. To get your hands on one of our Earl's Weld-less fuel return fittings for yourself, visit us at holley.com.